Good afternoon, can I help you?
I want to buy shoes.
What size are you and what color would you like?
My size is 7 and my favorite color is black.
These shoes are good.
Can I try?
Yeah, they look great.
How much are they?
They are 25.
Can I pay with credit card?
No, sorry, only cash.
Good afternoon. How do you can help you?
I want to buy the two shoes.
Okay, perfect. What is your size and your favorite color in shirts?
My size is large and I like red shoes.
Okay, I have these shirts.
Can I try them on?
Yes,
How much are they?
these shirts cost $10.
Can I pay credit card?
No, sorry, we accept only cash.